Hello, guys. My name is Pramod Bangalore. Welcome to my show, Quote Unquote, My Perspective, Episode 3. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about character and affection. So, I picked up this quote, which I received today morning from a good friend of mine. It says, "The affection we get from others is a gift of our own characters." So, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about two keywords, which are character and affection. So, let me start with affection. With the advent of social media, communication has been restricted to emojis, at best, few words. So, what I thought was I will take a step back and quickly define what is affection or try to explain what is affection from my perspective. Affection, from my perspective, is the emotion you express towards someone you care for or someone you love. Affection is generally associated between parents and children, siblings and friends. The key for affection is a very good communication channel, and at the same time, the communication of affection need not be dramatized. Let me now talk about character. Before that, let me quickly show a quote on affection. Affection is like a bread. Till the time you don't stop, you don't realize the importance. Now, coming to the character, what I have seen is there's a general confusion between character and personality. Sometimes personality is defined as a character. So let me try and differentiate it. Character of a person is related to the moral and ethical values a person carries in the society irrespective of the situation. And personality is the characteristics or the character traits, like a person is strong and resilient, a person is short tempered, and things like that. Let us now look at affection in relation to a character. The world in which we live, we don't tend to reach out to our own people simply because of the fear that they might come back and ask us some favor, or simply because of our egos, even though we would like to reach out. This is a very big deterrent in showing our affection towards our people whom we care for. Affection cannot be a give and take policy. Now, how does one express affection? It can be simply showing some sympathy when they need it most, or holding their hand when they need it most, or giving our shoulder to cry when they are going through some rough patch. One can be showered with affection based on the character they portray in the society, and more important, show it in action. Not always when you express your affection, the same would be reciprocated from the other side. But that shouldn't stop you from showing your affection because you wanted to show affection, and one should not be expecting anything back when they are showing affection because we simply want to show that affection. Now, reciprocating it back is something which is left to them. To conclude, if you go back 20, 30 years back, the relationships, whether it is a whether it is in marriage or whether it is with friends, cousins, were very strong because there was love and affection. Affection is something we are missing out of late. So I think we need to take a step back and try to show some affection when people need it. We are living in stress times right now, so it doesn't hurt to simply pick up a phone and call somebody whom you are fond of or you care for and Just ask them how they are doing, give them a shoulder to cry if need. That is going to take one a very long way. Hope this gave a good perspective on affection and character, which I wanted to talk about today. Stay tuned for my next episode. Thanks for your time.